Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change a local user account password from an administrator account on your Windows 10 computer. So this should be a fairly straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, and you want to type in Settings. So we're going to open up the Start menu, and you want to type in Control Panel. Best match should say Control Panel right above Desktop App. You want to left click on that one time to open up that selection. Once you're on a view by area up here that's set to Category View, you want to left click on User Accounts right here. And now left click on User Accounts one more time. Now you want to left click on Manage Another Account. I'm currently logged into John Smith, which is the administrator. Now I'm going to try and edit the Edward account, which is a local account here. So just by left clicking on one time, we have access to some of the settings in here. I'm going to left click on change the password. And now at this point, you can enter in whatever password you want. Please note you do not need to have an old password listed in here. Because we are an administrator, we do not have to enter in an old one. And then you can enter in a password hint if you chose to do so here. And then once you're done making that change, left click on change password. And that's about it. So if you logged out of the computer and tried to get back into the Edward account, you would be able to with the new password. So definitely a straightforward tutorial, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.